following counties in Virginia: Clark, Frederick, Page, Rockingham, Shenandoah, and Warren, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Harrisonburg and Winchester. Flood warning in effect until 11:45 p.m. this evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include portions of northwest and western Virginia, including the following counties in northwest Virginia: City of Winchester, Clark, Frederick, Page, Shenandoah, and Warren. In western Virginia, City of Harrisonburg and Rockingham. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 11:45 p.m. Tuesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 5:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Harrisonburg, Winchester, Front Royal, Strasburg, Woodstock, Millwood Pike, Bridgewater, Luray, Berryville, Broadway, Timberville, Mount Jackson, Stephen City, Star Tannery, Buckeye Bryce Mountain, Linden, Dale Enterprise, Weir's Cave, New Market, Dayton. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.